Hey everyone, Keith here, and today we're going to be opening this 50th anniversary Hot Wheels collection. You might be wondering, how did we get this 50th anniversary Hot Wheels collection? There's probably over 300 Hot Wheels in here. Well, we have a bit of a partnership going on with Hot Wheels where they have some of their more limited edition cars that use logos from all the different Holley brands. Holley, Hooker, Mr. Gasket, MSD, Mallory, Excel, Lakewood. I'm sure I'm forgetting some. What's interesting about this collection, I think every year they come out with a set like this, but this year it's the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels started in 1968, if my math is remotely correct, and this is a 2018 factory sealed set. So you can see, you might get bonus points for never opening this, but how much fun would that be? Inside this sealed set, we believe there are multiple smaller sealed sets inside. So I don't really have any reservations about cutting this seal, so we're gonna do it right now. There it is. Oh, that was satisfying. Going on here? Celebrate 50 years of going higher, farther, faster with Hot Wheels. This 50th, blah blah blah, a bunch of.
I feel like
I would know what's in here.
I feel like it's meant to be opened.
Oh yeah, this is the whole experience. They're serious about protecting their little toy car. Whoa. Whoa. Where do we start? Okay, Yep. We got it. It's out. Alright.
Oh man.
That is legit. Some high quality packaging. Okay, this one's a surprise. I don't want to look at it yet. I just moved it so I could open this one. So here we have the Hot Wheels 50th Race Team Mini Collection. What is that about? They have a preview of what's inside right there. You ready for this? Boom. I don't know my Hot Wheels terminology, but I do see this sticker is all over every one of them, which is pretty cool. That's the Datsun everybody's crazy about on these Facebook groups. So there's our 50th Race Team Mini Collection in a nice little book-like thing. There we go. Okay, this is the 50th Track Stars 5-car pack. Let's see, what are the names we have back here? Bifocal 2, Loop Coupe, HW40, Off Track, and Scupa de Fuego. Very cool. On the next one, how many boxes are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Comment below if you're better at counting than I am. Here we have the Hot Wheels 50th Anniversary 10-car pack. Some cool stuff in there. There's a Tesla, a Mach 1, an old Coupe, 55 Chevy. Is that a Zonda? They go by the names of, oh, that's a 68 Barracuda and a Gran Torino. Something called Bulletproof. 50th Throwback Collection. What are we throwing back? Whoa. I'd call this the Leadfoot Deluxe. Ooh, check out the F-150. That's wild. Now we have a 10-pack throwback, which I guess is a sealed box inside of a sealed box. Can we open it? We can open this. Oh yeah, this has logos on it. I'm gonna open it. Hey. So that's even more kind of vintage looking stuff. This thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's just a little something we put together for the Hooker brand. This is the Hooker Willys Gasser. I think this is an 18th scale die-cast model. Acme makes those for us. They're really high-end, super detailed models. This one's even got seat belts, a gear shifter, steering wheel, supercharger, spark plug wires, and on the underside, you can find it on our website. Oh, this is cool. That is the 50th Originals collection. I think I have one of those already. Some serious levels of pimping here. Oh yeah, that's the one. So we have a 69 Cougar, a Volkswagen Beetle, a 67 Camaro, custom 67 Mustang, and 67 Hemi Cuda. Well, nice. That year it's not just a Cuda, it's a Barracuda in 67. Don't want the Mopar guys mad at us. Now we have the 50th anniversary favorites. Got a feeling there's gonna be some good stuff in here. Oh yeah, look at the detail on some of these. Got little mini light wheels on this AMC Javelin. It's a Javelin. I was gonna call it an AMX, but it's not. There's a little red Express. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this is neat. I'm all about this Volkswagen Squareback. That's really cool. That is really cool. And the Galaxy's pretty cool too. Digging that. A little bit of Pro Tour in action. That kind of looks like one rendition of Freiburger's Crusher Camaro. Black and gold collection. Yeah. I'm all about that Impala. That's cool. So we got a little Model A truck, something like that. They call it the Bone Shaker. The twin mill. I had an early version of this when I was a kid. It was called Double Vision. It wasn't all black and gold and cool looking like that though. Roger Dodger. And this is the 68 Dodge Dart. And then, of course, the Impala. That thing looks awesome. The Ford Ranchero. That's really neat. I don't know that I've ever seen a Rancho Hot Wheel or I don't know that I've ever seen a Ford Ranchero Hot Wheels before. And this guy is a 67 Camaro. This is what it's all about right here. What's up with this guy? So, this one has a gold body, and the rest of them are just black, which is kind of interesting. I wonder if it's real gold. Surely not.
Bottom are all gold too. Every bottom of the car is gold, except that one's black.
Yeah, well, let's see, it's got a black body and then like a gold engine and stuff. Zamak Flames collection. I've heard people talking about the Zamak Hot Wheels. This gets my attention. It's a 68 442. My dad has had a 69 442 most of my childhood. So these all, I guess, have the Zamak Flames, whatever that is. Pretty cool. Camaro concept car in there. There's a Duster, a Barracuda, Buick GSX, 68 Copo Camaro. Pretty cool stuff. Here we have the 50th Camaro collection. I saw some of these on the shelf in Kmart the other day. No, it wasn't Kmart, they're all closed now. It was a Walmart. And they've done something pretty cool with the Camaro collection. So each generation has its own car that kind of represents that era. I would have to say my favorite is probably this 3rd gen down here. That's real fresh looking. Real nice. Here we have the Stars and Stripes America collection. Nothing more American than a 56 Ford pickup and a 65 Fastback Mustang and a Dodge Charger and a Nova and a GTO. That's a Coronet Super B. That's a 3rd generation Corvette. That's an old C10. Then we have a mid-60s El Camino, which is pretty cool, and Firebird with T-tops. I had this in the package and I was wondering, why does this have a W on it and this has an L on it? It appears to spell something, and I bet it has something to do with Hot Wheels. What do you want to bet? And then they had one extra, 50th. Man. You're welcome. I see what they did there. It's clever. If you've paid attention to this video this long, you're in luck. We have a surprise for you. This is a second 50th anniversary Hot Wheels collection set, and we're going to give it away to one lucky viewer. So if you're one of the Hot Wheels nerds that's paid attention to this video for this long, click the link in the description and see how you can have a chance to win your own factory sealed 50th anniversary Hot Wheels collection.